Experience in Dhyan. First of all, let's know what is the Dhyan. Most people say Dhyan is meditation, but as per my experience, the meaning of Dhyan is to merge. In that state, one is not aware about oneself. The sense that I meditate is gone. One who meditates, the person, the object of meditation, and the very process of meditation are mingled with one another. Definition of Dhyan. Nothing to do is Dhyan. Nothing means nothing. Most of sadhaks are doing something during Dhyan physically or mentally. Like chanting mantra, etc., it is not Dhyan. They could be tools of Dhyan. There are two stages during Dhyan. First, beyond the body, and second, beyond the mind. Body. When you meditate, your body should be straight in any sitting postures, steady and loose. One should avoid moving parts of body. Your hand and leg should be calm and steady. During Dhyan, Pran Shakti means vital force, vital energy is going upward. So leg becomes stiff. It is a very good symptom. But sadhaks who are unaware of the fact change the position of leg. As a result, its function of Pran Shakti is disturbed. It is an obstacle for deep Dhyan. Now, mind. Mind is not seen. It is very minute. But some people are confused about the mind and the brain. Both are different. Mind is everywhere, but brain is the part of body in skull. Mind is not visible, but brain is visible. Mind creates thoughts almost continuously. Creating thought is the work of mind. Thoughts could be labeled as good or bad thoughts, but in reality there is nothing like good or bad. It depends on situation and point of view. While you meditate, just watch all thoughts. When good thoughts enters your mind, don't be happy and don't worry about bad thoughts. Just watch like a witness. Do not get involved into it. Let the thought pass. Be an observer. That is called Sakshi Bhav or Drashta Bhav. Experience during Dhyan or meditation. Some people feel ache in many parts of body. It is because vital force works to cure the disease or imbalance which creates pain in the respective part. Cramps in both legs. Head or body starts to rotate. At times, waist moves around and body shivers. Some sadhak feel heaviness or lightness in the body. One feels flying in the sky. Some feel like falling from the mountain. One gets feel of falling down in a deep valley. Any part of body gets cold or hot. Severe headache with heaviness in head. Excessive perspiration. The mat on which one is sitting also becomes wet, feeling like a flow from pores. One feels hot air passing through both the ears. Body bends forward, backward, or sideways. Some starts to cry and some laugh. Body forms some asana or mudra automatically. Feels sleepy, it is trance. Many diseases are cured. Spinal cord is stretched. One feels flow moving upwards, sometimes as if any ants are moving up. Pain or some sort of movement of flow is felt in spinal cord. Awareness of time is lost. Some feel duration of meditation too long, while others feel short. Various natural objects like river, sea, mountain, forest, or temple are seen. Some may watch terrible animals or birds. One may see bright silver light or multicolored light. Sadhak might experience one's body growing very large or turning quite small. You observe your own body from outside. One may see a clock, its hands, and some definite time. Idol of a god or goddess is seen. One can talk with Guru. One may see a dead family member and talk also. A bright light is visualized. People feel at times as if they are passing through a tunnel or a cave. Remember some past experience or event of pre-birth. Mouth waters that should be swallowed. One listens music of flute or other instrument. Various melodies sounds are here. Special kind of aroma is felt. One starts to sing a prayer or a dhun or arti spontaneously. One recitates a mantra or slok. Some sadhak could see organs like lungs or heart. One can clearly listen one's own heartbeat. Some could feel beat in head palate. One gets vision about aim of his or her life. There might be pain in the middle of forehead between two eyes. Some may feel as if it is digging out, or a fan with two wings moving there. One thinks of new creative ideas. One is inspired to write. One can discover new things and various yantra. One sees unknown places. One can see future events. Some slok, mantra is heard. One feels satisfied and happy. Not. One gets various experiences. Meditation is beyond such experiences. In meditation, sadhak is just an observer. अस्तु हरिओम तत्सत।
हमारा यह वीडियो आपको पसंद आया है तो उसको लाइक करके अपने ग्रुप में शेयर कर लीजिए। और आप सबको विनंती, हमारी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।